Imagine a world where science meets technology, where the secrets of life are unlocked through the power of data. Welcome to Checkmate IT Tech, where we present our bioinformatics training, the catalyst for your journey into the future of scientific discovery. At Checkmate IT Tech, we recognize the pivotal role bioinformatics plays in advancing biological research. Our training program is not just a course, it's a transformative experience designed to equip you with the skills to decode the complexities of biological data. Worried about fitting training into your busy schedule? Our flexible training options, including evening and weekend classes, make it convenient for you to pursue your CCNA certification without disrupting your life. Don't just dream of decoding the secrets of life, become the architect of scientific innovation. Enroll in our bioinformatics training at Checkmate IT Tech and open the door to a future where your expertise transforms the world. Our support and sales team is available 24/7 to answer your queries. Call us today +1 347 408 2054.